Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for joining me. Today I'll be talking about the P40 series, in particular the P40 Pro that I have here. There are 5 colours of the P40 Pro available, and on launch the colours available will be the Silver Frost, the Black and the Blush Gold. Some of the other things around the design I'd like to point out is how we've changed the screen so that all 4 edges now have this beautiful curvature on them. That helps to improve the ergonomics and to improve the screen to body ratio. So a key difference in the P40 Pro is that there is a 90 Hz screen refresh. So when you're swiping through the screen it feels a bit smoother, and you can automatically set that refresh rate to give you a better battery life if you need it. So when it comes to improving your privacy and security, we'd recommend using passwords or fingerprints for the best access. And now we've got the in-screen fingerprint. And on the other side of the P40 Pro, you'll notice we keep the same DNA of the P series and have aligned the camera array just off center. One of the specialities of the P series is photography, and the P40 Pro is no different. We have a quad camera setup here, with the main camera being 50 megapixels now with an improved resolution. We've also got the ultra wide angle lens, which is actually a dedicated video camera as well. And you've got the 5x optical zoom. In the P40 Pro, we use the largest sensor that we've ever put in a smartphone, the ultra vision sensor. We've also got a time of flight sensor. That actually helps to understand the distance from your subject, so you can focus very quickly and get better bokeh effect in there as well. The P40 Pro also uses the 50x super sensing lens. We have the ability to do a 5x optical zoom, a 10x hybrid zoom, which uses AI to reduce the noise in the signal there, and we've got the 50x super zoom, digital zoom there as well. One of the main improvements in the P40 series camera array has been the addition of the dedicated Cine lens. This Cine lens is purely for taking video, and we've actually got a directional microphone. So when you zoom into your family member or friend, the subject you're filming, the audio zooms with it and reduces background noise. Another benefit of having a dedicated Cine lens is being able to use that for ultra slow motion. We can capture slow-mo at 7,680 frames per second, which is 256 times slower than usual. This is the slowest slow motion ever on a smartphone. So HUAWEI are well known for expertise in smartphone portraiture, and the P40 series continues this. We have an improved AI algorithm for portraiture, which helps to improve performance in low light and also to improve the image clarity. Another fantastic feature is in video, now records 4K up to 60 frames a second. We've got a new next generation AI algorithm powered by our NPU. This is particularly useful when tracking the motion of people and also looking at the way their face is moving, so emotions. Put it this way, if you're ever taking a photo of somebody and they've blinked, but the photo you took was the moment they blinked, well, the AI in this device will understand that moment and then will help you choose the best photo. Another use for the AI in photography on the P40 Pro is in things like sports. For example, a basketball player going to make the dunk. Trying to take a photo of them at the right point can be difficult, but using the AI, that will help choose the right moment of them making the dunk. So another great use of our powerful AI on the P40 Pro is to remove passers-by from your photo. If when taking a photo of a group of friends, somebody walks past, the AI will remove that person from the photo. Another thing it will do is if you ever try to take a photo of a cityscape from the top of a tall building, you get reflection in the glass because I'm pretty sure it's not Leica certified. However, the AI in the P40 Pro will remove the reflection in that photo. So another very important aspect of photography is stability in the shot. So we have got mechanical OIS, so optical image stabilization, and we combine that with AI to produce AIS, that's artificial intelligence optimization, to keep that shot steady whether you're taking a still or a video. Another important feature on smartphones is having a large battery, and the P40 Pro has a huge battery. In fact, it's so big that you can share this power with friends, family and colleagues using wireless reverse charge. That's available in settings in battery. And just turn on wireless reverse charge and allow that. That'll stay on for 2 minutes. And we can also use wireless reverse charge to share power between devices like the P40 Pro and the HUAWEI MatePad Pro, which is the first tablet ever to do this. So the P40 Pro is powered with one of the most advanced mobile processors in the world, the Kirin 990 5G variant. We've also included 8 GB of RAM, so the P40 Pro can handle anything you throw at it from the app gallery. Another strength in the P40 Pro is the Wi-Fi capabilities. We've improved to the newer Wi-Fi protocol, Wi-Fi 6 Plus. That's 160 Hz. And this allows us to improve the performance of local networking, like in a Wi-Fi at home or in an office. So another new development in the P40 Pro is the addition of HUAWEI mobile services. Part of that is the app gallery, and this provides a safe and secure access point to the world of apps. So getting the apps onto your P40 Pro is actually very simple. Just open the HUAWEI app gallery and browse categories for what you're looking for. Also, in the setup of your P40 Pro, we do recommend using Phone Clone to just transfer your apps from your old phone to your new P40 Pro. If there's an app you'd like to see on the HUAWEI app gallery, simply request it via the wish list. And that's under Me, and then hit wish list. In wish list, you can give the name of the app, a brief description of what it does, and include an image. In less than 2 years, we've grown the HUAWEI app gallery so it's available in more than 170 countries worldwide. And 28 million users every month use the app gallery to download apps in Europe alone. All applications are thoroughly checked before being allowed into the HUAWEI app gallery, and this involves a privacy check, security vulnerabilities, malicious behavior detection, and manual real name security check. We're making HUAWEI Music and HUAWEI Video available to more people in more countries to open up a whole new world of entertainment. One of the exciting new services on the HUAWEI P40 Pro is HUAWEI Music. This gives users access to more than 50 million songs, 1.2 million albums, and that equates to more than 300 years of streaming. Another very exciting development in the P40 is the launch of HUAWEI Video, which provides access to more than 50,000 titles, including blockbuster movies, TV box sets, and more. All of this combined means we're offering smartphone users the first real alternative in over 10 years. Hopefully this has given you some good insight into the P40 Pro. It's available to buy from April. Thanks for watching.